Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to record phone calls on your Android device in 2025. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings. Here you'll see common shortcuts like Bluetooth, Airplane Mode, and Silent Mode. Scroll to the bottom and tap the Edit button. Now look for the option called Screen Recorder. Tap the plus icon next to it to add it to your shortcut panel. Once added, hit the check mark at the top. Now, when you swipe down again, you'll see the screen recorder button available. Go ahead and tap it to get ready for recording. Next, open the phone app, select a contact, then tap the call button. Once the call connects, you can hit the record button to start capturing the conversation. To stop, just tap the record button again. The audio file will be saved automatically on your device, usually in the recordings folder. And that's it. You've learned how to record incoming and outgoing calls on your Android phone. If this helped, make sure to, like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.